Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 11. In this episode, we're going to retarget our animations to our Metahuman. So, the first thing I want you guys to do is go to your all at the top and go to your content folder, go to your Metahuman RPG folder, and in your Metahuman RPG folder, I want you to make a folder called Retargeted. And inside the Retargeted, I want you to make a folder called Metahuman. And whatever name that you named your Metahuman, I'm gonna go Metahuman Manuel. And I'm gonna make another folder for my other Metahuman, and then you do the same thing, Metahuman underscore the name of your character. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our Metahuman RPG folder and go to our assets folder, and we're gonna go to our locomotion folder, and we're gonna go left click and then shift left click, and then we're gonna right click the first one, and we're gonna go retarget animations. Left click that, and what you do, you select this and go all the way down to the bottom, shift left, and here in your target and target skeletal mesh, we're gonna go body, and you want to get this one right here, mtal nrw body, and we're gonna click export animations, and we're gonna go to our Metahuman RPG folder, go to our retargeted, and go to our whatever name the character you're going to be exporting to, and mine is going to be Manuel, and go export. And this is going to import all of your animations in every folders, so you don't have to go back and try to do that for all of them. You just retarget from that one group. Okay, see, now you've got our animations. You can left click and see. Alright, so now we're going to go back to our animation folder and go to our locomotion and do the same thing again. Left click, shift left, and left click, shift left, right click, and retarget animations. Click on the first one, go all the way down to the bottom, shift left, select our targeted. We're going to type in body, and I think that's the preview. This is the female body. Yes, that's it. All right, and then export animations. And export. done. Alright. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe and like. And look in the description to join all my socials. And join my Discord. I'd like to talk to you guys. And I'll see you next time.